Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Tether from Coinbase Wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between wallets is a key skill for any crypto enthusiast. Whether you're building your portfolio or just moving funds securely, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets ready. You'll need the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone or accessed via web, and Trust Wallet set up with your recovery phrase for security. Also, ensure you have some Tether in your Coinbase wallet. Check your balance to confirm. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section and select Tether, USDT. In 2025, Coinbase might have updated interfaces, so look for any new features like enhanced security prompts. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Transfer button next to your USDT balance. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app, go to the USDT asset, and copy the wallet address from there. Pro tip: always double-check the address to avoid costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send, and review any transaction fees. In 2025, expect possible network fees on blockchain like Ethereum or Tron, so choose the right network if prompted. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. Use blockchain explorers for real-time updates. Finally, head back to Trust Wallet and refresh your assets. Your Tether should appear shortly. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and stay updated on crypto regulations. There you go. That's how you send Tether in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.